Welcome to the Home Courier Portal. This video covers the differences between your garage door and your standard door. If you haven't watched the standard door video, watch it now. Basically, entering the correct pin and pressing hash will signal the door opener to open the door. Once the door is open, you can place your deliveries inside on the required area. Such an area could be a little table like that. If you're getting some cold goods, there might be a fridge or something in there. But, yeah, that's just a shot of the indoor unit. There's no need to put it in a hatch. Okay, so then once your deliveries are completed, go outside. If there are more deliveries to complete the order, press 1. Otherwise, press any key. The door will close on any key press. Bye-bye.